Hey guys, welcome back. I can't believe it's already the end of October. That is so crazy. So since it is the end of the month, I wanted to bring you my October favorites. I don't really have a lot in the beauty category because I didn't really test out anything new. I kind of just went back to some other products that I had in my makeup kit, and I just wanted to sort of refresh what I've been using with products that I already have. I know that a lot of people are just constantly like pushing you to buy new products, which I do because I love makeup products. I think it's so fun to like see all the new stuff and test them out. But this month I didn't really buy anything, so I wanted to just use what I had. So the first two products that I want to show you are my beauty products. They're both by the brand Gressa, which is an all-natural brand, and they make some of the most beautiful products that I've ever tried. The first thing I want to show you is the Gressa Minimalist Contouring Serum Bronzer and the Minimalist Illuminating Serum. Both of these are half an ounce bottles. They're glass bottles, so they're recyclable once you finish them, which will be a very long time when you purchase the product because these are super pigmented. Really, a little bit goes a very long way. Here's the bronzer, and it's a serum. It just blends into your skin so beautifully. I'm gonna show you the illuminating serum as well. It's just like so amazing and has like skincare benefits in it, which is cool too. So you're getting like a really great beauty product, but then you're also getting a really great organic and natural skincare. So I wanted to share with you some of the ingredients that are in these and why I love them so much. There's cold pressed broccoli seed oil, milk thistle, neem extract, horsetail extract, lemon balm extract, barberry extract, sea buckthorn seed extract, elderflower extract, bitter melon extract, licorice root extract, and then some natural mineral pigments. So I think that's just so cool. It's just all natural oils that will benefit your skin. So for the contouring bronzer, it says, this bronzing fluid serum mimics the healthy flush of a natural tan and subtly contours the face. The richly pigmented, weightless formula naturally warms all skin tones for a glowing, sun-kissed effect. And I definitely agree with that. It is a red-based bronzer. I have it on today, which is why I look super tan. But I really love this. I'm telling you, like, a little bit goes a long way. So when you put it, I usually like to put it on the back of my hand. I do one, like, I just let it drip just once onto my hand, and that is like really actually too much product. A little bit goes such a long way. Like I did my whole face and my neck, which my neck is always a lot lighter than my face and my chest, but I did my face and my neck with just like half of what that drop is. So it's so cool. I just really love that product. And then the illuminating serum, let me tell you what it says. Add radiance to any look with this versatile highlighting serum. Accentuate tops of cheekbones, brow bones, and the cupid's bow with a pearlized fluid, or mix into your moisturizer for a sheer dewy effect. And this has a lot of the same ingredients: broccoli seed, castor seed, milk thistle, neem, horsetail, lemon balm, barberry, sea buckthorn, elderflower, bitter melon, and licorice root, and the mineral pigments. So I also have the illuminating serum on today. You should be able to see it with my lighting, but it's like such a really nice natural glow. The color of this reminds me of like MAC's strobe cream that they used to have a while ago. Maybe they still have it, I don't know, but it's like a pinky purpley like glow, but when it's on your skin it just looks really natural and like radiant. It doesn't look pink or purple. So I really love these. I will show you swatches of both. So here's one drop of each of these. They spread out and now they're actually blending together, but I'll just blend them out just so you can see what they look like. They are both so beautiful. So see the illuminating serum down there. It's such a beautiful color. It's just like, it's so pretty. It's like pinky, purpley, and just like, it looks like a pearl basically. And then the bronzing serum, it's so pigmented. Like you really only need a little to blend it in And I like to use like a duo fiber brush when I apply it. I just sort of like tap it into the product and then like tap most of it off onto my hand and then blend it around in like a circular motion. And then I'll go in with my beauty blender just to like blend the edges. But I really, really, really love these two products. So my next favorite product is actually a microfiber towel. I bought like a 3-pack of these on Amazon for like $8 or less, and it's like pretty big actually, but I love this for drying my hair. So I recently figured out that my hair is actually really curly, and it was always kind of like maybe a little bit wavy, but now it's starting to like really curl, especially on humid days. Like my hair loves the humidity, and right now it's kind of dry, so it's not, my hair isn't liking that. But this microfiber towel, I've been using it to scrunch my hair as soon as I'm out of the shower and my hair is like soaking wet. I will scrunch my hair a little bit before this with my hands to get some water out, and then I'll use this to like just scrunch my hair up all over, and it really helps my hair to dry quickly, because since my hair is bleached, it takes like a couple hours honestly for it to air dry, because I don't really use a blow dryer. I just let it air dry naturally. So when I use this microfiber towel, it just like soaks a lot of that water out so that my hair dries within like half an hour or so, which is really nice. And before I was using like just an old t-shirt that I had, but it really wasn't soaking a lot of the water out, so it kind of weighed my hair down more. But this towel, I really like the effect that it gives my hair, and it really helps to make it like more curly. So my next product is from Young Living. It is their Thieves essential oil infused mints, and I really like these. They taste like cinnamon and clove, and their ingredients are sorbitol, clove oil, lemon oil, cinnamon bark oil, eucalyptus oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, and stevia. So it's all like natural ingredients, but I love that it has the Thieves blend of essential oils, because that really helps like boost your immune system, and it's just like a really nice taste. These are a little bit pricey, but I think that they're worth it because they are made with 100% pure essential oils, instead of having like a mint that has just, I don't know, like that's just like artificially flavored and has, I mean, I don't even know what ingredients are in the other kinds of mints. But I really like these because they are naturally made and they have a really nice flavor and leave your mouth feeling like clean. So I really like those. And actually, if you are interested in these, you can purchase them through me, because I do sell Young Living products. And I'm not just saying that I like these to promote them. I actually do really like these, and I just started trying them this month. So if you are interested in those, you can definitely let me know and we can figure something out. My next favorite of the month is actually A Star is Born with Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga. I saw the movie and then literally had to go and find the soundtrack. I went to like 2 different Targets to try to find it, and I've been listening to it pretty much nonstop. It's honestly one of my favorite movies now, and I think I like it better than Barbra Streisand and Chris Christopherson version, which I also really love, but this one was so good and the music was amazing, and Bradley Cooper did such an amazing job directing and writing and producing and acting and all that. And Lady Gaga, of course, was amazing, because what isn't she amazing at? But I just really enjoyed the movie. I mean, obviously it's sad, but the music in it is so good. Like, it makes you feel like you're actually at like a live concert. I really liked that they did that and that they incorporated that into the movie, because it made you feel like the emotions and the excitement of being at like a live show. Like, I really appreciate that, because I love going to concerts. So that is 100% on my favorites of this month, because it was just so good. I can't wait for it to come out on like streaming or DVD or something, so I can just watch it all the time. And then for my last favorite of the month, it's actually my new tiara. I got it at Disneyland, and my friends and I, we went there to see the Halloween time at Disneyland, and it was my first time going during the Halloween decorations, which were so cute. I really liked that. And you know, we get to see like the Haunted Mansion holiday, which was kind of fun because I've never seen that either. And then Space Mountain Ghost Galaxy, which was fun. It's basically the same ride, but they have some ghosts instead of space stuff. But that was really fun going to Disneyland and having some Halloween treats and yummy delicious food, and it was just like, it was so much fun going during the Halloween experience. And we ended up at the very end of the night, we were like, you know what, it's like 11:30 and I'm kind of hungry, so we went and got in line for churros, and then this guy, he was like, oh, here's a gift card for you guys so you can have free churros. And we're like, what? And he was like, yeah, compliments of Del Taco. And so thank you, Del Taco, for giving us a Disneyland gift card so we could get free churros. That was super awesome. And then we passed it along to the next person so that they could get churros also. But yeah, it was just really fun. We got to go on some rides that I haven't been on before. Even though I live close to Disneyland, I hadn't really gone there much, like, growing up. But now that I'm, like, an adult, I actually really love going to Disneyland because it's, like, it's so fun. You get to, like, act like a kid and go on rides and scream your head off, which is what I do. My friends love listening to me scream on rides because I do it a lot. I'll have to admit, I scream a lot. But it is so much fun, and I'm really, really, really looking forward to Christmas time decorations at Disneyland, because if you don't know already, I'm obsessed with Christmas. It's my favorite holiday of any holiday. It's my favorite time. I'm so excited to start decorating for Christmas, and I do part-time work as a gift wrapper because I just love wrapping gifts. I think it's so much fun. So I'm so excited to go to Disneyland and see all the Christmas time stuff. I hear that it snows and, you know, they light the castle, and I just can't wait. So, oh, you know what? I actually also really like these. These are also one of my favorites of this month. These are from the 99-cent store, and I think they're just so cute. They're like little Dia de los Muertos sugar skulls. I just really love these. They're like just the cutest little lights, and they were only 99 cents. Like, come on, you're not gonna not buy those, you know, for 99 cents. So yeah, that's it for my favorites of this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell, because that will notify you every time I upload a new video, which I really need to start doing more regularly. I've just been a little bit slow, things have been busy, but I'm definitely going to try to start uploading more regularly. But I want to know, what were your guys' favorites of this month? Did you have anything that you tried out that you really liked, or anything that you did that you really liked? I'd love to know, so leave me a comment down below and let me know what that was. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye!